Yeah, we had no. And as you see, we has no power. It just sat there and run. What are we missing? Yeah. All right, guys, we are back on the coupe. The question is, can we get this thing fired? I don't know. We got a long way to go. We're gonna give it a hell of a try anyway. Let's get it. Guys, we had several people asking again, what is the first drawing? The first drawing is you get to choose. The winner gets to choose this car or this car. Both fully restored, Coyote swapped, fresh paint, full suspension, full fuel system, Whipple superchargers, the whole 9 yards. The first drawing gets to choose one of these two cars. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. And guess what? This ain't nothing new. We started back in 2018. This will be our 6th and 7th giveaway cars, and we've got 3 more after that. So, if you don't win this drawing, guess what? The next winner gets the remaining car, and then the Whipple F150, and then the tow rig combo with the 18-foot collar hauler and lifted F150. So if you haven't signed up, I don't know what you're doing. I can't make it any better. Hit the link, join the crew, get in on the conversation, and get your name in the hat to win some seriously epic rides. All right, so first order of business, we've got to get the cluster out and get the speedometer cable removed because it's in the wrong hole. Imagine that. I don't think these are even actually screwed down. Nope, they're not. So, is this screwed down? No, not much screwed down. I'm telling you, I'd like to be able to fire this thing today. Don't know if it'll happen. We still got a long way to go. Yeah, you can tell, like I told you guys, this is an 81, and you can tell every screw, because this is obviously a dash swap, every screw is different. Yep, every single screw is different. Lower it just enough. Yeah, how's that? There we go. All right, so now we can move that to the correct hole. Yeah.
You might have to feed it too.
Gotcha. Yeah. All that just to put it in the right hole. Did you get it? Yeah. All right. So we got it in the right hole. Well, that's good. Dover's swapping out the, put the 3G alternator on there. The car was already wired for it, so got that in there. Progress, progress, progress. So the reason we actually had to do it is because they stuck the accelerator cable through that hole, and we need to put it in the right hole. So that's done. We still got to swap injectors, which I brought the old ones from Pops. These things been sitting for a long time. I'm sure they're not bad, but they need to be cleaned, and the ones out of Pops are pretty fresh. So. Sweet!
Yeah, that's my name.
We got a pedal. Yeah, swap those injectors.
Swap the injectors. Oh, okay.
Well, the ones out of Pops just came out, so.
Yeah, I ain't sure about these. It had a little miss. It might be the injector.
They've been sitting for a minute.
Yeah, it's been sitting so damn long.
Yeah.
Got the injectors.
Yeah, I got the bolt. Yeah, they're sitting over there on the floor. Just unplug these. Every clip is broke. Of course. Old stuff. Yeah, hell, that one's already unplugged.
With the back one.
That might have been my miss, huh?
That might have been your miss. Yeah, that's plugged.
I still feel good about changing the injector.
Yeah, I do too.
As long as they've been sitting.
As long as it's set.
In that bag right there.
And it's going into the intake.
Yeah. I think all the caps look good. Shine them up, make them beautiful. Yeah, just spray your hand. That's
Yeah, that stuff's cold too.
just spray your hand. That makes sense. Get in there. There's one. I think I got enough on my hand to.
Right. I know I did.
Yeah.
Got plenty on my hand. It almost has like a pineapple scent.
Yeah, it does. Shit.
What happened?
I had it and I tried to knock it down a little more and knocked it right out. Thanks for that idea.
Well, my brother, I heard you came to the cobalt side of the game on your lawnmower.
I'm all about it. Dude, I got everything now. Everything is electric.
Bruh.
Ain't
it convenient?
It is the way.
Yeah.
You couldn't give me an electric car,
Yeah.
but let me get that battery mower.
Yeah, well, I told my buddy, I said, man, it's 3 times lighter than the gas.
Yeah.
No vibration like the gas.
Nope.
You don't smell like gas.
Don't have to buy no
You
gas.
ain't gotta buy no gas. Yeah.
Like, yeah, I'm all about that cobalt life now. My blower, my weed eater, everything.
What blower you got? The 40 volt? Or
Yeah.
24.
Yeah, everything's 40 volt.
Yeah, that's what I got.
And I still got a bar of battery left after I'm done doing front and back.
I gave my dad, I gave him a cobalt blower and weed eater for his Father's Day.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Yeah, he absolutely had a fit.
Alright guys, if you caught the live on the Ultimate Member page, we got it all together. But if not, here it is. Plenum is bolted down. We got the vacuum tree on it. What else we do? We got the coil mounted. Got most of the stuff on the solenoid. Yeah, we got a coil wire. Look how beautiful that is.
Motorsport wires. What about that?
Yeah, those are probably 25 years old. They don't look chewed up or nothing.
Might be as old as some of the people watching.
Probably. Yeah. I would agree. So the 3Gs on. Oh yeah, you got the crank pulley, water pump pulleys on. Shoot, we're getting there.
Need a belt now, huh?
Yeah, we need a belt. Throttle cable is in.
Yeah,
Speed.
get on.
Yeah.
Yeah, hook our O2 harness up. Need drain oil.
Yeah, we need drain oil. Yeah, we could probably put the dryer. Well, we ain't got to fool with all that.
Yeah, we do that.
We're gonna plug up the coolant crossover. Boys, we're getting there. The 91, 82, or 81. No, yeah, 91, 81.
82.
80. Damn.
Looks good sitting in there, though.
Yeah, it does. It looks amazing. We still haven't figured out what we're gonna do with the PCM, but oh well. It's definitely looking like something under here. New starter on, wired up. Thing's got fluid. We did take the dry shaft out. It was just too long. it was slammed up against smashing the tail shaft seal, and so we're gonna get that shortened. Should have it back a week or so maybe. But I mean, there's the exhaust is right there. Drain the oil out. Think it's full of water.
It'd be cool, but it might have got some in it when I was pressure washing.
Yeah.
Plus it needs changing anyhow.
Got pressure washed real good. See if we got some water.
So probably not, because it usually comes out before the oil.
Yeah. A little bit.
Maybe.
A little to it.
Yeah, it definitely needed to be changed.
Black gold.
Yeah,
Texas tea.
Texas tea. Classic. About to put some oil in this thing. Pour it into our epic vintage comp valve covers. Yeah. Getting there. It definitely looks like it looks like something now. Is the
Coming again?
yeah. Got a belt on. Had one laying around. That's why we'll never throw nothing away. Eventually, we'll use it.
I don't know. I do like to throw stuff away. See what happens?
We got battery. We got
stuff.
yeah. Ain't no telling what this thing will do.
We ain't got no fuel really. So.
Yeah, we have no fuel.
Where'd that come from?
Yeah, it just fired up. What in the world? Okay.
There's something leaking a little bit there.
What is it?
Probably the power steering.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't expect
Man, that thing just lit off.
I don't know how it fired up.
I don't either.
We've had the injectors out.
Yeah.
No fuel line.
No fuel,
Yeah, it guys. Hold on.
yeah, and we wasted all the fuel out the fuel, right?
There's no. Hold on. Let's get down in here. Fuel line is not hooked up.
Surely whatever's in it done burn out by now.
And we just swapped the ejector, so I know there wasn't anything. There wasn't much in the rail.
It just wants to start.
It just won't.
It sounds like my shield or something's hitting. You hear it?
Something's hitting.
Yeah. Oh, the in-between plate, you know, the right plate.
Yeah.
I guess we got that fuel out.
Yeah, we're out of fuel.
I
I know. I guess it bears mentioning that it just sat there and run. What are we
We
missing?
ain't even hooked that up yet.
Yeah. The ECU is not even hooked up. It's right freaking there. And that thing lit on the first, like, what?
Yeah. I wouldn't, yeah. Well, I wasn't even really expecting it to do what it did.
Yeah.
I was just going to make sure it turned over.
Yeah, just.
And then it lit up.
That's.
And I'm like, well, wait a minute. I don't even think we hooked the computer up.
It's ready to live again.
Yeah, it just wants to go.
That's what it is. That is freaking wild. Okay, well, it runs. All right, so we got some brake clean, and we actually got the ECU plugged in.
Yeah. Didn't need that. Huh?
Yeah, no, we don't need any of that. What do you think? Ready?
Yeah, hit it.
Let's try it out. Woo!
It's alive.
It's alive.
Just needs some fuel, huh?
One more for the people. Let's see what she does. Come on, baby.
Give a good car cleaning there.
Yeah. Clean the whole thing out. That thing runs really good.
Yeah, it does.
Get all the carbon out of it. Huh?
Yeah.
It runs great.
Yeah, it does. Especially using
Ain't even got a mass air hooked up,
Yeah,
nothing.
nothing, yeah. It don't even want none of that.
Nah.
It don't even want fuel, man.
It says, I just want to go. I want to
Just
go.
wanna run.
I want to go do the smoky burn eyes. We don't need all that extra shit. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see me or not. We had a hell of a storm passed through, and as you can see, we has no power. It's dark. It was a wild storm. Freaking, it's just it kind of calmed down now. But man, we were ready. We was gonna blow away. Yeah, there's the big light.
There's leaves everywhere.
Yeah, stuff everywhere. I was like, yeah, I might have to get y'all a new giveaway truck if a tree comes through. Yeah, pretty freaking wild storm. Anyway, so I'll stand here in the door so you guys can see me. We got the car started. Wasn't exactly, I didn't think we were gonna be able to do it today, but it's alive. We'll be driving it soon. So y'all stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.